Zilch works on Amazon via its Anywhere feature, as Amazon is a supported and partnered retailer with special perks, no or lower fees compared to non-partners. You can pay in full for rewards or spread costs over 6 weeks, interest-free, fees may apply, or longer options if eligible. Steps: open the Zilch app and log in. Ensure your account is verified and has available spending limit. Search for Amazon in the app storefront or select Zilch anywhere if not listed directly. Choose your payment plan. Pay now, up to 5% rewards and cashback in some cases, or pay over time, for example, 6 weeks interest-free, fees from $0 to $3.50 depending on plan. Tap Enable Card. Card activates for the transaction, usually 2-hour window. Go to amazon.co.uk. App may redirect or open browser manually. Add items to cart. Proceed to checkout. Select Add a credit or debit card. Enter your Zilch virtual card details, number, expiry, CVV from app. Autofill if redirected. Complete purchase. Funds deduct per your plan. For example, initial payment plus installments.